was that? What was that? What's up? What was that? Did I hit something?
What the heck?
I hit a flat or something?
What is that?
What the heck is that? No.
Pull over. We gotta see. Wait a minute. We got MotorWeek. As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a host on MotorWeek. July 21st, 2026, and we are on our way. We are on, what highway is this?
I don't know, it's one of them.
One of them. We're not in Maryland yet. We are still in Pennsylvania, but soon we'll be in Maryland. It is 8:42 in the morning. I woke up at 5:51, shut the alarm off, went back to bed, because I don't like waking up to that. I set my alarm for 6:08, because we were supposed to leave at 7. I got up at 6:42. We were supposed to go last week, but you guys know the story from Enterprise. If you guys don't know that, the link's in the description to that video. We're here. Here. Let's hear. Oh, I'm pointing at the video. The video's right here. See that? Right there. I'm going to MotorWeek to film 3 segments. I think it's 2 today and 1 tomorrow. And then we'll check into the hotel, sleep, get dinner, pizza. Leroy's so excited. Leroy wants ice cream because this is exactly what he said to me. I scream, you scream, we'll all scream for ice cream. I don't know what good. I scream, you scream, we'll all scream for ice cream. I need a cane.
Gotta be at a place like this.
What's up, man?
You trying to hurt yourself? You might need
knock
that
thing
later.
down. What are you kidding?
How you
up,
been?
man? Good, not
How
bad.
are you?
How's everything?
You know,
What's up?
big.
Yeah, I know.
A month ago, I was
getting
like,
big.
I gotta see my man over there. I couldn't
you
wait to
been?
come and see you. So what's up, man? What
Not
you
a
been up
whole
to?
lot. Not a
Same
whole
old
lot.
stuff.
I expected you last week.
No, they didn't bring me the rental. They says no, the guy extended it. What guy? He says no, the guy that
So you don't have another one? You don't have something else?
they didn't
you
have
can bring?
anything. Nothing.
You can't upgrade.
Then they're like,
anything?
oh, we have a Honda. I'm
No,
like,
I want the Tahoe.
At this point,
I
bring
want
me
the
the
Range
Honda.
Rover. I want anything.
They called me back. They says no, the Honda's broken.
Honda
Nothing.
Accord. How
Yeah.
are y'all gonna fit in there?
Well, thank
Is
you.
that just for luggage or what?
yeah. It's the trailer. You're the reason I'm in a good mood when I come here.
I'm glad you're in a good mood. I don't want to see you if you're in a bad one.
No, you don't want to. You
I would tell
remember
the
that?
state police, stop them at the state line, give them something to eat, make them feel good, burp them, and then bring them in.
Yeah, give them something, whatever it takes. Yeah,
A beverage,
You
something.
remember that year?
Yes, I do.
You remember that? And I
Yes.
was calmed down already by that point.
I think it was Marriott pissed you off, hotel pissed you off a couple
Yeah,
times.
that was the first year
And
we
then,
came.
of
yeah.
course,
that's all.
catalytic converters disappeared or something, remember? Didn't they cut the catalytic converter or they went under the car and got something? Impound, okay. That was that
year.
same Marriott, huh?
Yeah.
They're waiting for you.
All right. See you later.
All right.
How did you ride in?
It's alright. So traffic on the other lanes coming the other way, so
Yeah.
probably going home and probably gonna have traffic. But
We'll be more receptive to the
Yeah.
products you're using. Because they will be removing all these little
I
rods.
think we have one when he was 10 or 11.
getting liked.
What number season is this for you?
I don't know. Is it 45?
Well, we're taping from season 46.
Yeah.
46. But for you, what number?
I don't know.
Well, do you remember how old you were when you started?
I was 10 when I started.
Okay, and now you're 15.
And
right?
I was 10. So yeah, this is my 4th year. This is my 5th. I think. my case, that would be classic. That would be a classic, such as 48 Cat. But in reality, kids go from their family hand-me-down, buying it and stuff. They might have something like this. A hoopty like this. So here are 5 things every new driver should know how to do before hitting the road. I'm not talking about parallel parking. Nice. Everyone with a license should know how to put fuel in the car. And don't put diesel in your tank if you drive a gas-powered car. That's it in a nutshell. 4th, God forbid you get into an accident, but they do happen. First, make sure that everyone is okay and get medical help if necessary.
Sound speed.
46-009, 5 things every new driver should know with Giuseppe. 1T, cut 1.
5, 4, 3.
We just had lunch, me and Pops.
We did.
What do you gotta say about your lunch?
It was good. Chicken cutlet sandwiches with mozzarella. Nice layer of onions. A little bit of mayo just to make it nice and moist inside. That's it. And
What did you have to drink?
I had a beautiful San Pellegrino blood orange drink. That was good.
I had the same thing, so. What did you have after that?
And now MotorWeek, they make me so comfortable that I'm ready for a nap now.
But what did you have after you were chicken cutlet sandwich?
I had a peach.
Right. No.
What do you mean no? I had a peach.
No. Peach is herring.
Peach is an apricot.
No.
What was it that I had?
No, don't tell him. Don't tell him. You gotta figure it out.
Neck.
Mm-hmm.
Neck. I had a nectarine
That's what it was. That's
with
what it
my
was.
head.
And then?
And that's it. And then we started getting
No.
things ready.
Ooh.
Yeah, I had a couple of grapes. You ate grapes. I didn't eat grapes.
Yeah, because if I was gonna have the nectarine, I knew it was gonna happen. It was gonna be the juiciest nectarine there is all over my shirt. My next segment, do you know what it is?
What is it?
It is the evolution of classic cars.
The basics.
Basics.
46010, old versus new, cut 3, 1B.
5, 4, 3.
One more time. Nobody bats an eye today at 200 or 300 horsepower level.
5, 4, 3.
I've been around cars from the 40s, the 60s, my whole life. I've seen them in my dad's shop, and I'm restoring them on my own. I love everything about them, the styling, the bumpers, the rolling history. Riding in a classic like this 1948 Cadillac, every mile, it's a smile. Alright, we're done filming, and now we're going to the hotel so I can go crash out. Today I did 2 segments. The first segment was 5 things every new driver should know. And the second one was old classic cars versus new classic cars. I just finished that up. And now tomorrow we're going to be doing my 3rd segment. And then when we're done with that, we'll be hitting the road. It's 5:15 p.m. We're going to go check in at the hotel. And then we're going to go grab dinner. We all know pizza, hamburger, soda, and Leroy's favorite. And apparently Pops' favorite, ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. I didn't say yeah. Alright.
I'm here.
It's raining. It's thunder. No, you were for real. I wasn't. Left or right?
We're in room 209.
This way.
Giuseppe?
Just kidding. This is silly, isn't it? 220's over there. Oh.
209.
It's so stupid. Wouldn't it go in order, like 201 starting there and... Right?
Let's see what happens. Oh, this is going to be great.
We're not gonna sleep very good tonight, are we? Oh boy. Oh,
Is this the same room, bro?
it might be.
Smells like
I remember
crackers.
laying on this thing.
Some kind of animal crackers.
Let's look at the bait.
Yeah.
They give you a coffee maker.
Alright, you
That's just, what is this? Breakfast blend, and you got decaf Colombian Surimo, and then Arabic, and then you got, I'm so tired. You got yourself a microwave, for the light, and then you got, whatever this is.
Here's the Frigorio. Doesn't open though. Doesn't open. Oh, this side.
Oh boy.
There's cups. There's a nice box.
And this is the bathroom.
For your champagne. Frigorio.
Do you know what this means? Dove means where?
Dove.
Where? It's where you take care of business. Right here.
You mean boom boom?
There you go. Oh, I didn't touch that. Where's the soap? Hand wash. No tap.
Wash my hands.
I got a soap.
Is that Dove?
Here, look, I'm your father, ready?
It's true.
Oh, there's a snot in the sink.
Hopefully from you.
Yeah,
Oh.
See what I just
Oh, that's bad enough.
See what I just got
No,
done
where's
doing?
the soap?
Right, this one's body lotion. Makes your
No, I'm good
skin
with that.
shiny.
I'm soft enough.
Huh?
What kind did you get?
The Bianca, it's just white. What'd you get?
I got anchovies, olives, oh basilica. Got beautiful. It's good.
How would you rate it?
Oh, this will get a 10.
10 out of what?
A 10.
Oh, okay.
And then John,
Had a pretty good sleep last night. Got some donuts. I ate them. We're gonna have some coffee, and then we're gonna get ready for the last segment. Then we're heading out. All right. Well, Pops is getting behind the wheel of a 48 Cadillac.
All right, let's see what he wants to do.
Something about this car. Leroy, you like this car? I'm saying it. That kind of set of wheels. See what's gonna happen? We're gonna start driving. We're not gonna come back.
Properly in frame here on our nice Osmo, and it will get you in car-to-car shots on the drive back.
Okay, no problem.
So these car conversions are directly behind us. I know this is George's car and everything, but this is kind of about the distance you want to be when you're directly behind us. You know, I'll be talking you in and out, telling you what to do. We'll do other stuff. We'll have you in the right lane. We'll be in the left lane. We'll probably do the double lane swap twice. Just go back one way and come back the other. Okay, we're going to move over to the left lane here. You stay where you're at. Come up a bit more. Right there. Stay in that pocket. Alright, that's great. We got it. You can tuck in behind us, back to MPT.
1-1 patch panel prep with Giuseppe. Part 1, cut 1.
Alright, in 5, 4, 3.
If you've seen my segments on MotorWeek before, then you know my favorite cars are American classics. And that's it. We're done with MotorWeek this year. And we're heading home. We're on Route 83 North. You know what I gotta say about that? Pops, what do you gotta say about that?
Uh-huh.
I scream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. He still wants ice cream. Do you guys want ice cream? Scream in the comments. Scream in the comments. Go ahead. You guys didn't scream yet? Go scream!
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.